curled my hair. I kind of look like a red-headed Goldilocks right now, don't I? Here we go. Look what I got. My coffee's turning off. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to say hi. I've seen so many great challenges that y'all have been doing that I have not been able to do. This weekend was so hectic. It was exciting. My oldest granddaughter turned 7. Oh, I can't believe she's getting so big. So I was so busy planning, organizing, stressing. But the party turned out to be great and she loved it, and her friends were so happy and excited, and she has such good friends. I just invited her classmates and so many of them showed up. I know if you invite usually kids that you don't know the parents, they usually don't show up, but these parents showed up. They brought great gifts for her, and I wanted to say thank you to all of y'all who came, and I wanted to show you what I got. I don't know if you can see my mailing address, but I have been watching so many YouTubers talk about this cleaning company, and I wanted to check it out. So I knew that they were having a special. One of my YouTubers that I watch was talking about having a special. So I went on to the Grove website and I ordered some stuff, and I got a whole bunch of free stuff because I was a new subscriber, new buyer, and I wanted to show you what I got. Okay, now I've not ever used this product, but I see so many people talk about it on YouTube. I don't know, mainly, I think a lot of them are sponsored by them, but I'm not, because I'm so little, nobody, I don't sponsor anybody. So I'm going to try this stuff out. And if you've already tried this stuff out, comment below on how you like it. And let me know your favorite fragrance, because I know they've got so many different smells and fragrance. So I tried to, in each thing that I got, I tried to do a different fragrance so that I could smell them all and see if I liked them. So let me open this up. This is my first time using Grove products. Okay, there we go. So here's everything that I ordered, and a lot of the stuff is free. So yes, my granddaughter loves these things. You know what I use these things for? I have a problem. I collect purses, and not cheap ones. They're pretty expensive purses. And when I put my purses away, I save this stuff and I put this in my purses so that they don't lose their shape or wrinkle up when I'm not using them. So I try to keep these away from the grandkids because they like popping them. But they're not here, so I can put them away without them knowing. Paper towels. And I think this company is like an all-natural company. So this is their paper towels. It's every 50 rows purchase 1 tree planted. So they replant trees. That's great. We need them. I have 100 in my yard, so I could probably save the oxygen for everybody with the trees that I have in my yard. Oh, papers. Paper. Ooh. Here we go. Oh, what's this big old thing here? 16-ounce spray bottle. Oh, this is so nice packaged. It says Grove on it. Can you see that? Grove. Oops. Oh, ooh, this is pretty. Oh my gosh, I love the color too. And it says Grove on it, right there. I don't know if you can see. Oh, this is nice. Glass bottle. Oh, could always use that. And I love this container. I might save this and use it for something else. A better way to clean. Did you know that most cleaning products are over 95% water? Nope, I didn't know that. Okay, it gives instructions and a whole bunch of facts on here. I like this. This is nice. Oh, what's this? Tissue. And it's so pretty. It looks so natural. And says Seedings by Grove. This is so pretty. 100% bamboo and sugarcane. Wow. This is going to be different. And it's almost the beginning of October. It probably is October by the time I upload this. So we're going to start getting our little sniffies coming up soon. Okay, Method laundry detergent. I guess they put the tape on it to make sure it doesn't open up in the package. Ooh, $3 off. I got a little coupon. Use that. Gentle on sensitive skin, free of dye and fragrances. Method laundry detergent. This does 10 loads, it says. I'm going to have to sit down. My knees can't handle this. Ah! Okay. Oh. What else do we got in this box? Oh. Okay. What is this? Method antibacteria bathroom cleaner. Ooh. I forgot to smell them. And this doesn't say. This is spearmint. Spearmint. Let's smell it. Ooh, it is. It smells almost like gum. The spearmint, peppermint kind of gum. But there's that. Huh, okay. Oh, here's a cedar and sage bar soap. Ooh. Oh man, that smells good. Oh, that smells good. And again, I love this. I love the packaging. It's so nice. What's this? Ooh. I'm getting low on this too. It's the little tablets you put in your dishwasher. Powerful Clean. Zero fragrance and dyes. Yes. A whole bunch of little tablets in there. 7th generation. This does 20 loads. Tub and towel cleaner. That's so tiny. What do you do with this? Orange and rosemary. Huh. This is tub and towel? This cleans your tub and towel? Okay. Small and mighty. Okay. Tub and towel cleaner. Grove Collective, San Francisco, California. Tub and towel cleaner. There's 2 of them. Let me know what y'all think about this. I don't know. I have a 7-year-old and a husband works in a factory. My tubs get dirty. Well, we'll see. We'll see. I'm keeping an open mind because everybody's raving about these products, so I will try it. All right. Myers Clean Day. What is this? We make effective trust formulas. trusted formulas. Oh, here we go. Meyer's Clean Day dish soap, mum scent. Now I heard that this is a good scent, so let's pop it and see. It's very soft. I can't really. It's very soft. It's a very soft smell. But this is the dish soap in Mum. Another spray bottle. This is a plastic one, it's not glass. And this is multi-surface. Glad they taped all this stuff off, make sure the lids don't come off. That would be terrible. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. And the Mum again. Now I thought I got some pumpkin stuff. Is this it? Pumpkin scent. I'm gonna try it. Because fall is. Where am I? Come on, focus in. There I am. Hi. Okay. Fall is right around the corner, so I did get a pumpkin scent. Let's see how this is. Oh wow, that is, I like this one. I like the pumpkin scent. But this is hand soap for the bathroom. I'll put that in the guest bath for people to use when they come over. And some sponges. Walnut plus cellulose scrubbing sponge. Am I saying that right? That it looks, it's real pretty, looks very natural. Again, I think all their products are very natural. But that's it. That's everything that I got. Again, I have never used this product, but this is everything that I got from the Grove Company. Again, if you've ever used this product, let me know what your favorite scent is, and let me know if you've used it. And if you haven't, you can question me about how I'm liking it. I might do my own little video to tell you how I like this compared to my favorite products. And I usually make a lot of my own homemade products with natural essential oils because I like natural stuff. I have animals, I've got grandkids, and I just want to make sure that the stuff that I have in my house is natural, clean, and safe to use around all of them in case they get hold of it and stuff. Try to keep everything locked up and put up high, but kids are smarter than us. Let's just admit it. They are smarter than us. So to have natural stuff, it is just that reinforcement that we need around these kids that are smarter than us. So again, let me know what you think, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, okay, and hit that bell button so you can come back and watch more. I will see you later. Bye.